The show must go on. And by show I mean Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection Part 3. That was probably a super lame intro, but I don't even care. I'm going to keep it. So, I have now filmed 2 Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection videos, and I am down to the last 2 palettes to film. So I have Armed and Gorgeous and Bling Boss, and I honestly hadn't decided which one I was going to use until just before I sat down to film. It's weird because I actually haven't even used the Armed and Gorgeous palette, like, at all. I've swatched them, and that is it. They have not been on my face at all, whereas this bad boy has definitely been used. I have been gouging into that one a lot. It's purple, it's my jam, but I sat down to film and I looked at both palettes and I was super inspired by this color right here and this color right here. I think this is happening. I think I'm gonna go with the Armed and Gorgeous palette for today's video. Now, in case you haven't noticed, my face makeup is done today, which is super weird because usually I do my eye makeup first, but today I filmed a freckle tutorial. That's already up on my channel. That one went up before this one. So that is why my face makeup is done. We're just gonna cross our fingers and hope I don't get a ton of fallout all over my freckles because that would be bad. Let's get to the eye look. Because I already have my face makeup on, I also have concealer and powder on my eyelids already, so they are ready to go. And I'm just gonna jump into this palette. I'm gonna start with the shade right here, which is Access. It's a very nice bright mustard yellow. And I'm going to start by taking that up into the crease on a nice fluffy brush. My stomach is growling, but I am literally so full. Oh, and in case you're wondering, after the last freckle video, what it's like to put eyeshadow over the freckles, it actually works pretty well. They stay pretty well put. Some of them will fade a little, but they don't muddy your eyeshadow look, which is nice. I'm going to quickly jump over to the Dark Magic palette and grab the color Poof and use that to blend out the top edge of that yellow. Jumping over to a smaller blending brush, I'm going to dip into the color Agent. I'm going to put that right over the color that we just did, but a little bit lower into the crease and all the way from inner corner to outer corner. I think I'm going to be doing a cut crease with this look. So I really want to have all the crease colors come right to that inner corner. Switching back to that fluffy brush with nothing on it, I'm just going to go over and diffuse the edges again. And now I'm going to dip into this shade Top Secret. This is a beautiful army green. I'm obsessed with this kind of shade. Quite similar to the color Potion in the Dark Magic palette, but this one seems to have like a little more, I don't know, maybe a little bit darker. They're super similar. But I'm okay with that because this is one of my favorite colors. I actually used Potion all over the lid, I think on Thursday. I used it all over the lid and it was so pretty. So I'm going to take this mostly in the outer corner, stamping it on and building it up, and then bringing it up into the crease. I'm obsessed with this color. This is beautiful. This is my color. I actually just bought a jacket that's almost this exact color. More of like a peacoat style jacket. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear it this winter. So when these palettes first came out, I actually saw a lot of controversy over, I don't know whether it was this color or it was Potion, one of the 2 army greens, and people were saying that they were having a hard time making it work for them. But I mean, that's shown up really well. It blended really well. I've used Potion also and it worked really well, so I'm not sure what that's all about. Okay, so I've gotten a little bit of fallout just under this eye, so I'm going to take a powder brush and just kind of flick that away. Goodness, oh no. I don't know why I bought a white shirt. It's not going to stay white. I'm going to go back in with a different brush and use a little bit more of Access because I feel like we lost quite a bit of that with the green over it. So I'm just going to take that over the edges and brighten it up just a little bit. So I know I originally said that I wanted to use this color. It's hard to see on camera, but it's got a bit of a green shift to it, so it's like a green gold. But this color is catching my eye too. So this is more of like a pale light gold, and then there's more of the green gold. You know what? I think I'm gonna stick with the green gold. I think it's gonna look good with this green eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and a brush and start cutting out my crease. Once I have the concealer down, I'm going to dip back into Top Secret and blend out the edges a little bit before I go in with the lid color. This green gold color is called Coin, and I'm just going to press that over the concealer. I feel like this one is pressed pretty hard, so it's hard to pick up the shadow and get it onto the lid. But you just gotta dip into it a few times. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. All the yes. And then dipping into Top Secret once more to blend the edges out a little bit more. Okay, I'm super impressed. I have virtually no fallout from the lid shade, which is amazing because usually chunky shimmer shades like that will have a ton of fallout, but there's like a little tiny bit in the inner corner where I accidentally got it with the brush. So I'm just going to take a little Q-tip and clean that up a little. I'm kind of obsessed with this look. This is kind of gorgeous. I like that she put 2 brown shades in this palette, but I like that I didn't have to use either of them to create an absolutely gorgeous look. Okay, let's move straight to the lower lash line. Usually I go and do my face after I've done my top lids, but we can move right into the bottom. I'm gonna dip into Access again. I'm gonna run that all the way across the lower lash line. I'm gonna take that fairly low. And then I'm gonna dip into Top Secret and run that along the outer edge. Wowza! I am super impressed with this color. She's looking cute. I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. As you can see, I decided to go with some really big lashes, which I haven't worn in a while. I feel they look a little ridiculous, but we'll go with it. I'm gonna finish off this look with Stripped from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I figured I needed to go nude. I needed something with a warmer undertone, so this one has a bit of a orangey peach undertone. Well, there we go. That is the finished look. I feel like this might be a bit much to go to my dad's 60th birthday party with, but we're just gonna go with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed part 3 of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault Collection series. One more palette to go, and it's one of my favorites. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you are notified when I upload my next video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!